in example 1, as you can see here, it's negative 3x plus 5 equals 14. Now I want to solve two-step equations. It's two-step equation, as we said, since it has two operations. Now to solve it, actually, I should start first with a number that is added or subtracted. Since it's added, I will use the inverse operation, which is subtraction. So I will subtract 5 from both sides. Now 5 minus 5, it will be 0. As you can see here, it's 0. Yes, and here, what's left here from this side, it's negative 3x is equal to, 14 minus 5, I will subtract from it 5, it will be 9. Then the second step equation, it's by dividing it by negative 3. It's must be divided by negative 3. We can't divide it by 3 only, because negative x, it doesn't mean this is the solution. Isolated, it means only x, no other factor multiplying by it, no coefficients multiplying by it, no even negative multiplying by it, because actually negative, it means negative 1, and it's a coefficient for x except than 1. So I will divide both sides to keep balance. Here negative 3 will begin with negative 3, and as we said again before, 9 over negative 3. 9 over negative 3, it's actually 9 over 3 is equal to 3. And as we said yesterday, the negative sign is the strongest sign in mathematics. So actually, I should keep the sign. In example 2, we will solve again two-step equation, but if you notice here, number 7 is subtracted from it. So the operation here is subtraction. The inverse operation here, is addition. So I will add 7, as you can see here, I will add 7 here and add 7 to the other side. Now minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 0. So crossed each other or cancelled each other. Now negative 2y, I will put it down, equals 3, plus 7 equals 10. Then what I will do, I will divide, since the operation you can see it is multiplication, so I will do the inverse operation, which is division. I will divide negative 2y by negative 2 and 10 by negative 2. Now negative 2 over negative 2 is equal to y, equals 10 by negative 2 is equal to negative 5. So the final answer is negative 5. How can I check? I can just replace it in the original, equation. Just replace it by negative 5. Negative 2 times negative 5 equals positive 10. Why positive? Because we said, if you remember, 2 negative times negative will kill each other and become positive, or they will give me positive sign. So 10 minus 7, which exists in the original equation, equals 3. And the 3 here, look, I keep solving, miss. It's better for you not to do this. You say 10 minus 7 is equal to 3, is equal to 3. And is the 3 equal to 3?